What's up, guys? Travis out here at the EA Proving Grounds at the Everything Attachments factory. We're here with our SVL-95 Kubota skid steer and our new front wicked boom pole. We're gonna see, well, we've tried it before on some other things, but did a video yesterday with these blocks with our 141 horsepower Kubota tractor, the M6, and we just thought we'd see how it looks with this boom pole. So this first one is a 1,600 pound block. Don't even sound like the Kubota knew it was picking that up, but you'll see the solid construction of this. You can get it with a closed or an open loop there up on the front, just depending on the applications you'll be using it for, what you think's best. We also put this attachment point right there, and instead of simply welding it on like anybody else would do, we have our tubing laser. So see if I can spin it around a little bit for him there. All right, we have our tubing laser, so we can make the hole all the way through that tube, weld it on the bottom and the top all the way around. So get her unhooked here. So it just makes it very rigid. You know, that thing's not going to rip off there. And we do kind of the same thing up here, cut the notches in it, fit it together like a Lego or a Tinker toy. It makes it easier for the welders, makes it more rigid, you know, less likely to fail. Not only the weld holding it together there, that indexing, you know, we do that in a lot of our attachments. It really adds to the strength here. See if I can get this hook here for you. All right, now this block here, that Kubota's just idling, but this one's 2,850 pounds. 2,850 pounds right there. Our tractor was able to pick it up also. We had to do some adjusting with our 3-point boom pole. That wicked boom pole is pretty awesome, but made some adjustments. That 141 didn't like it at first, but she did it just fine. If you hadn't checked out the video, it's on our YouTube, just uploaded yesterday. So everything looks looking good. So I'm gonna help him spin this thing back around. Get her back on the ground. I just went out and took some photos of this one. We'll get it up on the website soon. Just thought since it was hooked up, thought we'd come out here and just do a little playing. So we appreciate you watching. Thank you for all the support of Everything Attachments. Check out our products at everythingattachments.com. Find us on Facebook, give us a call, email sales@everythingattachments.com. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.